Hello everybody, got another video for you. This is a tankless water heater. Now, I have had this water heater for a few years and I didn't know that I had to actually do a flush until recently. So you're supposed to flush these every year, minimum. So what you're seeing is, of course, how you unplugged it. So you gotta turn it off. This is in the gas system, so actually you're supposed to turn off the gas as well. So I turned off the gas. So it comes from there, in here, through this pipe, and then, so that one is off. I guess I can probably turn this one off just in case too. Okay. Then the other thing you want to do is get a bucket, either with some solution, descaler, or like I did, 4 gallons of vinegar into a clean bucket. Get some hoses like for the washing machine. I bought these. You turn off the water as well for inside of the house. Turn off the water both sides, cold and hot, so that way no vinegar goes into the house. Connect the hoses to the service connections here. Then you go ahead and once you put the pump in there, open these up, connect the pump, and let it run for 30 to 45 minutes. So what this is doing is circulating. So the pump is pushing it through the cold side, it comes out to the hot side and back into the bucket. So it's like a cycle, and that's how you guys do it. This is how you descale a tankless water heater. And either vinegar, like I said, cheapest way. I spent about $15, $16 versus 25 or 30 for just the descaler liquid. Hope this video helped you guys. Any questions, let me know. Other than that, have a good day.